Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome once again. Today I'll be showing you how I created this beautiful look, and this is my look without filter. And if this is your first time to my channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. So yeah, I'll be wiping my face and I'll be going on with my skin prep. So this is something I do before drawing my brows. I love drawing my brows, then doing skin prep. Then yeah, I'm just powdering my brows before drawing them. And you don't know me, I usually draw my brows before going to the skin work, and I already done that. So yeah, I'm just applying foundation, and I'm just applying foundation around. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't show you the part where I was drawing my brows. I didn't know I wasn't recording it at that time, so but I make sure I video the whole process of the makeup. So yeah, I'm just applying my foundation with my beauty blender. So I'm used to doing my brows and apply my foundation. So this is something that I've been used to, and I'm used to working with. So I'm just making sure I tap the foundation on my skin. So I don't know what made me start doing my lips, but I just decided to line my lips when I was done with the foundation. So I just lined my lips, I traced down my lips to my satisfaction. Immediately I was done, I grabbed in my concealer, and this is just to shades lighter than my skin. So yeah, I'm just blending it through, just making sure they're all blended well, because I don't want my under eye getting caked up. So next I went on with my powder. So I powdered my concealer part first before powdering my face. Then I went on, I started powdering my face. This is just something I do like a clean girl makeup, so I'm not doing much. So yeah, I'm applying my setting powder with an angled brush. I would say it is just like a beginner step makeup because I'm not doing too much. So I'm applying setting powder and I'm not baking. I'm just applying setting powder. So I added my lippy, my lip gloss, my lip gloss, and then I sprayed immediately, fixed on my lashes, and I'm just dusting the excess. And this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think about this look. And this is with normal camera lighting, no filter added. Let me know what you all think. Thank you for watching.